We're going on a nature hunt. This story was written by Steve Metzger and illustrated by Miki Sakamoto. We're going on a nature hunt. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a bridge, a narrow, shaky bridge. What's on the other side? Let's find out. Cross, cross, cross to the other side. The bridge is going over the water. It's a field of fluttery, buttery wildflowers. Look at those colorful flowers, but don't pick them. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a pond, a clear and sparkling pond. What's in the pond? Let's find out. Paddle, paddle, paddle to the lily pad. Oh, it's a slippery, slobbery frog. Look at that frog jump and swim, but don't scare it. The frog jumped off the lily pad. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. It's time to go. We're coming to a meadow, a wide and hilly meadow. What's in the ground? Let's find out. Dig, dig, dig down into the ground. It's a worm. Look at that wiggly, waggly worm. But don't hurt it. We're going on a nature hunt. We'll search high and low. We're going on a nature hunt. Now it's time to go. We're coming to a tree, a tall and leafy tree. What's in that tree? Let's find out. Climb, climb, climb up to the crooked branch. They climbed up the tree and onto the branch. It's a scritchety, scratchety nest. Look at those eggs in the robin's nest. But don't touch them. Look, there's 3 eggs in the bird nest. What's that noise? It's very close by. It's making a bzzz. It's making a buzzing sound. Bzzz. It's a beehive. Let's go. Back down the tree. Back through the meadow. Back across the pond. Back over the bridge. We're home. We went on a nature hunt. The day went by so fast. We went on a nature hunt. Now we're home at last. The end. Preschoolers, I want you with your mom or your dad or trusted adult, sister or brother. You can go outside and go on your own nature hunt and see what you can find outside, either on the ground. Maybe you'll look up in the trees, see what you see in there. Here are some things that you might see on a nature hunt. You might see some animals. You might see some water. You might see some bugs or insects. Maybe the sun will be shining when you go on your nature hunt. I want you to think of, and tell me, or not tell me, but think of 3 things that you see on your nature hunt. And as always,